Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can create Gmail account with your phone number. Open your Chrome browser, tap on your profile login, tap here to see all your accounts, tap add account to device, verify if it is you by unlocking your fingerprint, then here tap create account, choose for my personal use, then enter your details. It says email address is already existing. Continue trying until you get the one that is not used by anyone. And create a strong password. Select agree. You can enter your recovery email or phone number, or you can skip it. Follow this method to create your Gmail account with your phone number. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks.